Ever wondered if you could invest in the very companies launching rockets into space? Not just buying stock, but truly being part of the future of space exploration? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but today, it's a very real and accessible investment opportunity. What if I told you there's a unique way to gain exposure to the incredible growth happening in the aerospace industry without having to pick individual winners and losers? This isn't about single stock risk, it's about a diversified, strategic approach to a sector that's not just about rockets, but about satellites, lunar landers, and a whole new era of innovation. We're talking about the world of Spaceship US Investing. This isn't a single product or a company name you'll find on a ticker. Instead, it's a concept, a mental model for a specific kind of investment strategy. Think of it as investing in the entire ecosystem of US-based companies that are at the forefront of the new space race. This strategy goes beyond the well-known names like SpaceX or Blue Origin, which are still privately held. It's about looking at the public companies that are powering their progress. We're talking about the manufacturers building the rocket engines, the companies creating the advanced composites for spacecraft, the innovators developing the satellite technology that powers our GPS and internet, and the firms specializing in everything from space-based tourism to asteroid mining. So, how do you actually do this? The key is to look for investment vehicles that specifically target this sector. The most common and effective way is through an exchange-traded fund, or an ETF, that focuses on the aerospace and defense sector, or more specifically, space exploration. These ETFs pool your money with that of other investors and use it to buy a basket of stocks from multiple companies involved in the space industry. This diversification is crucial because it spreads your risk across many different players. If one company faces a setback, the impact on your overall portfolio is cushioned by the performance of the others. The beauty of this approach is that it's designed to capture the broad growth of the sector rather than relying on the success of a single company. You are essentially betting on the entire industry's upward trajectory. As more countries and private companies enter the space race, the demand for technology, materials, and services from these publicly traded companies is only going to increase. So, Spaceship US Investing is really about being a passenger on the journey of American innovation in space. It's a way to participate in a market that is not just about a single mission to Mars, but about building the infrastructure for a future that extends far beyond our planet. It's about leveraging the power of diversified investment to be part of a story that is only just beginning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.